design, reinterpreting its distinctive roofline in a convertible that looks superb, top up or down. When lowered, the 4-layer soft top is stowed neatly beneath an integrated tonneau cover, preserving an elegant silhouette. The quiet, smooth and controlled action of opening and closing the roof reflects the car's high quality and attention to safety. To achieve dynamic performance comparable to the coupe, the LC convertible's body structure has been reinforced while maintaining an optimal weight distribution. The naturally aspirated 5-litre V8 engine gives invigorating acceleration, best enjoyed with the top down. The rich sound of the engine and exhaust add to the sensory quality. Engine intake notes are transmitted into the cabin by a sound generator, and a valve in the exhaust enhances the driving soundtrack. At the same time, the cabin is a relaxing environment. With the top lowered, wind flow inside the car is suppressed and conversation is effortless, even when driving at speed. All the fine quality features that distinguish the interior of the LC Coupe have been applied to the convertible, from world-class craftsmanship to the luxurious look and feel of the materials. The LC convertible is a car that looks after its occupants like a personal concierge and has all the signature driving qualities of a Lexus. European sales will commence this summer.